In this video, we will show you how to create beautiful presentation, infographics, or interactive image using application called Genially. First, you can open Genially on Google, and the website is genial.ly. Okay, then you can click the websites. And you need to create the account. If you don't have the account, it's free. Okay, it's free. You don't need to subscribe using your money, and it's all of this feature is free, but there is also premium features if you want. After your login in your dashboard, you can just create genially like this to create presentation, infographics, gamification, interactive image, video presentation, or another unit here. But because the title of this video is create beautiful presentation, let's start create presentation in here. Okay, this website is using many templates. You can search for the template here. For example, you can browse about technologies. Okay, and this is the template for free, and you can also using premium features if you want. With star icon in here, it's mean premium template, but the free is also have the good template. Okay, so let's select one. Let's using this. Okay, and in here, to create presentation, we need to click use this template. Okay, and in here you can see there is a beautiful template. We can select more than one template or just select all, for example, and click add, and we will direct into the editor page. And you can see there, I will show you, this is a best site to create presentation because something look like this. You can see here, I will create this text with the image effect. So we need to click the text to activate this layer and select this to create animations. You can even record the audio directly from your computers. Okay, and in here we can select the entrance, for example, just spawns. Okay, and for continuous, for example, we can select tools. Okay, you can see there. And you can also have the interactive menu in here. Okay, or you can lock the item or the layer, so it won't be editable. Okay, to create the interactively, you can see you can add audio on even if you click, or you can open the web page in here and jump into another page. Okay, this is, you can learn yourself. You can see there is a background smart block. You can learn in here. Okay, but let's see, after we are done in here, we can just click all set. And in here there is a public online, and if you choose reusable, your template will be able to use by the others. Okay, we can click this and click all set. Okay, and in here we can download our Genially. okay, if we have premium features. But in here we just can see our presentation is online, and this is, I think, is enough for us. Okay, and we can copy this. Okay, and let's see into incognito window. We can open our presentation without login. You can see there. Wow, it's beautiful. And if you need a presentation, you don't need always using PowerPoint. So using Genially is genius one. Okay, you can see there. It's very beautiful. Okay, in here you can go to full screen also. So people don't think, hey, if you are using outside application, but maybe someone think you use good PowerPoint. Okay, you can see there. And that's all tutorial how to create beautiful presentation using Genially. Hope this video helpful for you.